Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the door or window and exposing the screws. This is where safe removal begins. You will remove visible Torx or Phillips fasteners first, loosen about halfway, then fully remove them to prevent stress on discrete clips. Once done, use masking tape to label each corner and the adjacent frame so reinstallation is immediate. Make sure to support the panel from below with blocks or a partner. This prevents bending the mesh and keeps track of screw locations for an exact fit later. Next, you tackle the clamp strip and the backing channel that hold the mesh. This is the detailed part. Start at one corner. Pry up the clamp strip gently, moving in short sections so the mesh releases evenly. Once free along one side, pull mesh toward the center so side clips don't snag. You should rotate corners sequentially, maintaining slight tension to prevent kinks. While removing trim screws, keep parts organized in order. These precise motions protect the stainless mesh and the frame. Finally, lift the panel free by angling it just enough to clear the latch points. Carry it flat and rest it on padded supports. Once removed, inspect both mesh and frame for bends or damaged clips. Replace any hardware before reinstalling. If you hit resistance, don't force it. Backtrack one step, reseat screws partially, and reverse the most recent clip removal to reset alignment, then try again. This troubleshooting tip prevents tears in the mesh and keeps the frame square for a smooth reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.